I think this is what it's supposed to look like when you're carrying lots of weapons in the game. It's not productive at all. G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. And of course, by the title below you can tell that this video is about the FORTNITE Nocturno scar. Now if you're not familiar with the Nocturno scar, then fair enough, I don't blame you. A lot of people actually haven't played FORTNITE Save the World mode, which is of course its main campaign mode, where you go against a bunch of AI and try to save people from some zombies. Of course, most people, me included, mainly focus on the Battle Royale mode, taking out other players with your own personal skills. But there is a whole nother mode, and it actually has some really cool artwork that I thought I'd actually bring in to a lot of the props I'm making now. Once I've done the original one from Battle Royale, take a twist and give it the alternative artworks. So one that caught my eye is of course the Nocturno scar. It's one of the premier pieces that you see in a lot of the advertising and a lot of the trailers, held by one of the main characters in the campaign mode, Ramirez. So it stands out to be one of the cool pieces, and of course I wanted to go and repaint the scar I originally had, which was the tan mode from Battle Royale, and give it the nice new piece of artwork. And a nice new piece it is. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. It was a very simple repaint. It's just very saturated grayscale colors with a nice unique little tally system, of course, of the dead zombies and the skull on the end. Very simple if you guys want to reproduce it yourself. There's a lot of awesome artwork out there to source and get your own conversion going. Now of course, if you want to build the scar originally, you can follow my tutorial. A lot of you guys are jumping in and I'm seeing amazing amount of progress from a lot of you, surprisingly. Thankfully you guys are all able to follow along, and the tutorial has been some great, unique and helpful information and follow along techniques for you, so that's awesome. Very happy. So of course after the tutorial we'll have something looking like this, the basic tan mode, or of course if you wanted, go the Nocturno now. Or if you want to be extra clever, go into the game and actually find some other cool skins and bring them onto a conversion for the scar. That would be pretty unique, I reckon. I might do that myself. Now I do read all your comments and I look at all your suggestions because I do want to know what you guys want to see. Of course, bringing you the content that you want to see is obviously ideal as a content creator. So please let me know in the comments what other props you'd like to see, what skins you'd like to see. It doesn't have to be from Battle Royale, it can be from the original campaign mode, because there is a whole cool array of props and designs from that mode that a lot of people don't actually see. But I will leave it there. Please consider subscribing. Plenty of cool new content on the way, as well as tutorials, so you guys can make this yourself. I'm looking at cosplays now, as well as some awesome armor pieces to bring and get you guys involved in building. And of course, until the next one, catch you later.